For this next video, we're going to be taking a look at themes, and you might be asking to yourself, what is a theme? Think of it as the window display for your store. It determines how your products will be laid out and sets the mood. Here on the themes page, you'll see that our current theme is the debut theme. And you can see that it's also fully customizable. I'm going to go ahead and click on Customize. So to the left over here, you can see all the controls for our theme, and to the right, a display of what our theme looks like right now. As an example, I'm going to go into an image with text overlay and change the heading. So I've decided that our store is going to be a retail store, and we're adding a new arrival section. For this, I'm also going to go ahead and add a cover image. You'll see that a new image is uploading. And then here's our photo for our main banner. I'm going to go ahead and click Select. And then I'm going to go ahead and save. So let's go back to the live preview of our site really quick and see what that looks like. So here's our new homepage with the changed image slider and text. Let's take a look at some different themes. Shopify does give you access to some free themes, or you can purchase themes from the Shopify theme store. Webinopoly also has onionthemes.com, which are Shopify themes that you can use and download for your store. Let's take a look at some of the free themes. So you'll see there's a few things for us to choose from. They all have different looks and feels. I'm going to pick the simple theme, and you'll see that there are two options to choose from. I'm going to pick the beauty theme and install that one, add simple. And then I'm going to come back to more themes, and you'll see the theme is here. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this theme. And you can see that it's been added to our store. So let's take a look. So this is the website using the simple theme. Previously, we were using the debut theme. So some of the things that have changed, the navigation is over here to the left. You can see that the search is up to the top. Featured collection is more to the center of our page. There's no homepage slider. And some of the fonts are different as well. I'm going to go back to the theme store and pick a different theme. This one's not my favorite. Let's take a look at themes in the Shopify theme store. So you can see there's quite a bit to choose from. They've got trending themes, finding themes that fit your store. You can see down here at the bottom, you can browse by industry. But for right now, I think I'll stick to one of the free themes. And I'm going to pick, let's go with the pop theme. And I'll stick with bone as the color. Add. And now I need to publish this theme to our store. And here's the pop theme. Let's see what that looks like. And here it is. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the pop theme. I'm going to click on the Customize button. And like before, the settings are over here to the left, and a preview of our site is here to the right. I'm going to go into the theme settings, and you'll see in here you can change the colors for your site. So if you have branding, this is where you would adjust those colors. There's typography, so you can change the fonts if you want. There's the ability to add a favicon, which if you look up here is this little icon that's on your browser tab. You can customize your cart page, your social media, and your checkout as well. So one of the most important things we need to add to our store is the store logo. We can't leave the text as is. It doesn't look very professional. So I'm going to come here to logo and menu, select an image, and I'm going to add in this logo that I designed myself. This is something that we can do for you here at Webinopoly. So select, and there's a beautiful logo. The next thing I want to change is the images in this homepage slider. You'll remember that when we had the debut theme, we had that new arrivals text over a background image, but that text isn't in this theme anymore. So let's go back to the slideshow section, and you'll see here the controls for the slideshow. So I can change these photos every 5 seconds, and the transition is set to slide. Here I'm going to add my image to our slide. Select. And because this is the only image I'm adding to the slide, I'm going to go ahead and delete this second one. Come down here and remove. And so now here's our homepage slider and our new logo on our website. So really quickly, I want to talk about getting images for your store. If you don't have any images, you can go ahead and use stock photos as a placeholder. One place you can get stock photos from is called burst.shopify.com. This is provided to you by Shopify. So let's do a really quick search for maybe you're selling sunglasses and you want a photo of that. Let's search for sunglasses. And you'll see that we got some nice results. However, we only get 99 photos. So there's a good chance that if you're using photos from burst.com, someone else could be using photos from Burst for their site as well. Another site that I like to use is iStockPhoto. And let's do a search for sunglasses here. Search. Here we go. So on iStockPhoto, you see we get over 400,000 results as compared to the 99 that we got from Burst. So really quickly, let's take a look at our website. Here it is with the updated header photo and our new logo. So I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not super happy with the debut theme, so I'm going to go ahead and pick a new one. If I come back to the themes area, I could buy one from the Shopify theme store, but I'm actually going to go ahead and get one from onionthemes.com. I'll click on Explore Themes. And so here you can see all of the different Shopify themes that they have available for our use. If I want to see what a theme looks like, I could click on Live Demo. So this is what that Zalali theme looks like if I were to use it in a store, and I like this theme a lot. I'm going to click on the name. And so here's a list of all the options that the theme gives you. And then there are different usage licenses for this as well. Let's go back, browse again. Let me take a preview of the boutique shop theme, see what that looks like. I think I like the Zalali theme, so I'm going to go ahead and buy that one. Let me go back to Zalali, and I'm going to select site license and add it to our cart. Now you see that there's a discount code that we can use, so let's go ahead and add that at our checkout. The code is 50 off. Go to checkout. So I've already got my contact information in here. It's my credit card information, and then this is where I'd apply that discount code that we saw before. Fine. And then there's our discount applied. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my credit card information, and then I'll show you how to install this theme into Shopify. So after purchasing the theme, you should have gotten the option to download your theme. You'll also receive a copy of a download to your email as well. But go ahead and download the theme to somewhere in your computer that you'll be able to access it again. After you've downloaded your theme, you'll come back here to the themes page under Sales Channels and Online Store and click on Upload Theme. Leave the theme in its zip file that you got it in when you downloaded it, and go ahead and choose that file. So there's the file that I've chosen, and I'm going to go ahead and upload. So now that we've uploaded our theme to the admin area, I want to go ahead and clean up some of this. You'll see that the simple theme is still here, and we're not using the simple theme anymore. So we can go ahead and remove it from this list. I'm going to go to Actions, and then I'll come here to Remove. And Shopify confirms if you want to remove these themes. So if you click on this by accident, it'll stop you beforehand. But I'm going to go ahead and select Remove. And now that theme's been removed from our list. I want to go ahead and publish the pop theme to our store, or the Zalali theme to our store as well. So I'm going to go and click on Publish and Publish again. And you'll see that Shopify has confirmed that our current theme is Zalali. So I'm going to go ahead and start customizing this theme. And then the next video, we'll start adding some products to our store.